Hey folks, Chris Donnelly with Guarantee RV Centers here in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2015 Forest River Forester. This is the 2700 DS. It's a dual slide unit with lots of room, and I think you'll really like the floor plan. Coming into the Forester, the first thing you're going to notice is the couch is right across from the dinette. This is really great for gatherings if you got more than 3 or 4 people that want to be in your coach all at the same time, if you're escaping the weather, or if you just want to get warmed up. Looking over the cab here, you've got 2 single twin beds. It can sleep 1 person on each side. You got a flap in the middle though that closes to where you can scoot these beds together, or even put a larger mattress up top to sleep more people. Coming over to the kitchen, very well thought out, gives you ample counter space despite the room that you have in a 27-foot Class C. Going to the back, you've got a nice walk-around queen bed. Ample lighting is provided by the rear window, and it gives you a nice sense of space in an otherwise shorter RV. Looking into the bathroom here, there's plenty of space to move around, good shower size, even a little bit of storage too. This is a really well thought out floor plan, really giving you the most out of the 27 feet that this rig measures out to. It is a 4-season coach, and you've got heated tanks underneath. You'll have some ample storage outside, and you'll have a nice large patio with a power awning. Guys, thanks for taking a quick tour with me on this Forest River Forester. This is a 2015. If you want tank capacities or any other info, please don't hesitate to call me. My number is 541-292-7031. Thank you.